Ever sent money to a friend via Monzo and wondered why it takes a few days to land in their account? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a valid one. We live in a world of instant everything, so waiting 3 to 5 business days for a bank transfer can feel like an eternity. So, why the delay? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get into the specifics of Monzo, it's important to understand the broader context of how bank transfers work in general. Think of the banking system as a massive network of interconnected institutions. When you send money, it doesn't just magically teleport from your account to the recipients. There's a complex process happening behind the scenes involving multiple players and checks. Traditionally, bank transfers, especially those between different banks, have relied on systems like BACS, Bankers Automated Clearing Services, in the UK. These systems operate in batches, meaning they process transactions at specific times of the day, rather than instantly. So, if you send money after the BACS cutoff time, your transfer will sit in a queue until the next processing cycle. This alone can introduce delays. Now, Monzo, like many other modern banks, offers faster payment options, often advertised as instant or same-day transfers. These faster payments utilize a different system, known as faster payments in the UK. This system is designed to process transactions much more quickly, often within a few hours, if not instantly. So, if Monzo offers faster payments, why are some transfers still taking 3 to 5 days? The answer, as always, is a bit more nuanced. While faster payments exists, not all banks and not all accounts are fully integrated with it. There are a few key reasons why a Monzo transfer, even if initiated as a faster payment, might still experience delays. Firstly, the recipient's bank might not fully support faster payments. While the faster payment scheme has been around for a while, some older banks or specific account types might still rely on older systems like BACS for incoming transfers. This means that even if Monzo sends the money via faster payments, the recipient's bank might process it through a slower system, leading to the 3 to 5 day delay. Secondly, security checks can sometimes cause delays. Banks have a legal and ethical obligation to prevent fraud and money laundering. They employ various automated and manual checks to verify the legitimacy of transactions. If a transfer triggers any of these security checks, it can be temporarily held for further investigation. This is more likely to happen with larger sums of money, unusual transaction patterns, or if there's any discrepancy in the information provided. Thirdly, weekends and bank holidays can also impact processing times. Even with faster payments, transactions are not always processed 24/7. While some banks offer round-the-clock processing, others might have limited operating hours, especially for manual checks. So, if you send money on a Friday evening or during a bank holiday, it might not be processed until the next working day, adding to the overall delay. Fourthly, incorrect account details can cause significant delays. If you enter the wrong account number or sort code, the transfer will likely be rejected by the recipient's bank. This can lead to a frustrating back-and-forth process of correcting the details and resubmitting the transfer, which can easily take several days. It's crucial to double-check all the details before confirming a transfer to avoid these issues. Fifthly, and less commonly, there can be technical issues with either Monzo's systems or the recipient's bank systems. While rare, technical glitches can occur, causing delays in processing transactions. These issues are usually resolved quickly, but they can still contribute to the overall time frame. Now, let's talk specifically about Monzo. Monzo, being a digital bank, is generally very proactive in facilitating faster payments. They encourage their users to use faster payments whenever possible. However, Monzo cannot control the recipient's bank's processing times or their integration with the faster payments scheme. So, even if you send money from your Monzo account using faster payments, the ultimate speed of the transfer depends on the recipient's bank. Monzo also has its own security protocols in place. While they strive to process transactions quickly, they will not compromise on security. If a transfer triggers any of their security checks, it will be subject to review, which can introduce delays. This is a necessary measure to protect both you and Monzo from fraud. So, what can you do to minimize delays? Firstly, always double-check the recipient's account details. This is the most important step to avoid unnecessary delays caused by incorrect information. Secondly, if possible, confirm with the recipient's bank that they support faster payments. This will give you a better idea of how quickly the transfer is likely to be processed. Thirdly, be aware of weekends and bank holidays, as these can impact processing times. If you need to send money urgently, try to do it on a weekday during business hours. Finally, if you experienced a significant delay with a Monzo transfer, don't hesitate to contact Monzo's customer support. They can investigate the issue and provide you with an update on the status of your transfer. They might be able to identify any specific reasons for the delay, such as security checks or technical issues. In summary, while Monzo facilitates faster payments, several factors can contribute to a 3 to 5 day delay. These include the recipient's bank's processing times, security checks, weekends and bank holidays, incorrect account details, and, less commonly, technical issues. Understanding these factors can help you manage your expectations and minimize potential delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.